Here's the real thing, right? I'm not the biggest social media person, right? I'm not a guru. I don't know all the ins and outs, but I know the basics and I'm consistent. And to me, that's what put us in this position. I knew what I wanted to give my potential clients. I knew what I wanted them to see, right? So not
Okay.
only are you seeing great hair, you're getting a glimpse as to what our stylists can do, what they look like, what the environment looks like when you come in. I
Hmm.
try to give them the feel of being in the salon without them ever having to step foot in. So
Okay.
when you come in, you're automatically familiar with it because you've seen it on
Hmm.
our page. I really do look at Instagram as your online magazine. What do
Okay.
you want your potential clients to see? What do
Hmm.
you want them to feel? Who is your potential client? What does she like? Right? So for us here, it's a more upscale luxury feeling. You know, we have the water, we have the wine, we have the tea, we constantly have music going. The decor is beautiful. So I make sure that I'm marketing to a client who likes those things,
Right. Hmm.
right? And then it's just a connection. There's so many people on Instagram, and it's like, who is your potential client? And
Right.
then market to them in that way. So when people do see you, they automatically identify and connect with you.
Okay. Okay. So
Yeah,
you definitely like I see social media as a marketing tool, but
absolutely.
to use a marketing tool, you kind of have to understand marketing, which is what you were
Your
just
ideal client. Who's your ideal customer? How old is she? What does she look like?
right.
What are her interests? So that's kind of how I started. And
Hmm.
then I create my feed based off of that. So a lot of time hairstylists feel like that you have to have all hair pictures on your page.
Hmm.
And you don't. You can have some pictures of hair. Make sure you're including yourself. You're showing your personality, like showing inside of your salon, the products that you use. If your client likes to listen to Jill Scott, you can post you at the Jill Scott concert. She's really going to connect with you there because you guys have similar interests, right? You
Right.
want to be able to show a multitude of facets about
Hmm.
yourself in your business and not just so much hair.
Got it. Okay.
And the other thing is just being post every single day. There is not a big business out there where you don't see their commercials every day. You don't hear their ads on the radio. When you're watching YouTube, the ads don't like promote yourself hard, go hard for yourself, post quality content. Like
Uh-huh.
I'm really big on taking super clear pictures, making sure it's natural daylight around. You know, we usually take our pictures, which is why I say here, right up here in this area,
Hmm.
and we post it all the time. So when you go to our page, we have a certain type of aesthetic.
Okay. Okay.
So having an aesthetic on your feed, making sure that you're making posts that directly relates to your ideal audience, showing different aspects of your salon, the services you offer, the products you have,
Hmm.
showing your personality, and doing it every single day. Instagram algorithm likes activity. The more social you are, the more your content gets pushed out.
Hmm.
Right? There's only a certain amount of your followers who actually gets to see your content. But if you're really active, it gets pushed out to more of them, more of your followers.